everyone, my name is Lucinda Cahill. Today I'm going to continue on the subject we've been covering for the last couple of weeks. To recap that theme, every commercial real estate company these days is going through a digital transformation at some level. The problem is that it's often hard to envision exactly how to get from spreadsheets and basic software to the end goal of full automation and transparency across the portfolio. So as we've been doing, I'm going to drill down into a specific aspect of that digital transformation: energy management and ESG reporting. As usual, we'll start at the goal. In an ideal world, utility bills would flow automatically into a central source. Forecasting and budgeting would be done with the assistance of software, and ESG reporting could be completed with the click of a button. Once there, it's easy to figure out where to dig deeper by adding sensors that identify energy efficiencies in specific pieces of equipment. However, that goal is often a far cry from how energy management and ESG reporting is currently being done. For example, we recently conducted a survey of a 50-building portfolio. Across those 50 assets, the operations teams reported 9 different softwares being used and 18 properties that didn't have any software at all. Plus, many of them had different tools for energy management and ESG reporting functions. This leads to obvious issues. It takes way too long to do routine tasks, which takes away from more valuable activities. It makes portfolio-level transparency impossible, and it adds to total spend on technology because you're not getting economies of scale. But it doesn't have to be this way. A portfolio-scale energy management and ESG program is relatively straightforward. To start, it's important to recognize that the ability to automatically pull in bills from any utility as soon as they're generated is a commoditized product. So right away, the best move is to centralize utility management on one platform. The real question is what you do with that data once it's in one place. The blueprint that we've seen work in leading portfolios usually goes like this. First, integrate directly with Energy Star to automate energy benchmarking. Next, streamline energy management workflows like forecasting and budgeting using embedded analytics. After that, combine utility data with qualitative ESG data collected through the same software instead of a spreadsheet, and integrate directly with reporting frameworks like GRESB. Finally, use internal benchmarking to figure out where to focus resources on improving energy efficiency. In the process, you've saved hundreds of hours from on-site teams and asset managers. You've checked the boxes for investors, and you've created the strategy to systematically root out inefficiencies. We know this works because we've seen it happen firsthand. Again, I'm Lucinda Cahill with Enitiv. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.